Okay. It's good. Okay.
Hello guys, this is Martin. Today I want to show you a very nice item. It's an LED driver. It's called cabinet LED driver. But before I share this item to you, I want to let you know to introduce our company. And let me make a brief introduction about our company. Our company is founded in 2006 and they already have more than 15 years experience. Our factory is covered 4,300 square meters and with 150 workers. Ultimate, we have at least six production lines. So we also have the SMD machine, DIP machine, wave soldier machine, and this reflow soldiers machine. All of this production, we get a 100% in the test for each product. So it is mean every product is come from our production lines. We test each everyone. And this testing process, we have four testing process. The first process, the testing process is after this DIP process. DIP process is mean when this PCB board after this soldering and reflowing this soldering process, they will cause some fake welding and some the force welding. They will have a big effect, cause a big effect when we use them. So we need to select which product is cause this first soldering and this fake soldering. This is the first step. The second step after this this soldering test, and we need to check about this semi product test. Is we use this and the PCB board to connect with the lights and switch on and connect with the power, and we can test this parameter and the lighting performance situations. This is we can check this product is a good circle load or the not. And the sub test is about full power loading test. We need to test our this product's parameter and this voltages and the watts and about the current. Because you see our product now, you can check this parameter. We design it at 36 voltages and watt and 12 watt, and this current is 3000 milliampere and 3 ampere. So it is mean we need to make sure this parameter and all these things need to testing with the same design with this label set. After that, you can know our product is have very good quality because you testing that. That is not the last test. After the three test process, we can make this the fourth test. This is the very important. We make this product to connect with this power system and to make this full loading. For example, this is 36 power, and we make this full loading and to let me work continue at least 4 hours. That is called the aging test because you can see our product maybe it's only just a test about this welding and bust the connection, but never can test this aging test. So after the aging test, we can make sure this product is stability and this performance is very perfect. Oh, not only like this. After that, we also can make sure this product to make good quality because our product have already approved this CETUV, ETL, SAA, CT, RCN, and FCC. So you can check all these certificate we already approved. So it is mean our products have already have very good performance and very good sales situation into the every market in the world. This is the all these products and about our survivors. I think it's also very good. It's very good survivors from us because some guys, some customers, they have their own logo brand and have their own design about this laser. We can provide you this laser printing for your own logo or your own design for free, even only one piece. This is very good. So I think you do not hesitate to make cooperation with us. It's a very good choice. About our company is like this. And now let me share this today's is very good item about our cabinet LED driver. Firstly, please check this output terminal. You can check this output terminal. This output terminal. It have 6 terminals together. So it is mean this design can support 6 lamps and connect with it and work together. Each output terminal, each output terminal is a single output. You can check. It's a single output. No need to make some additional design about this plug. So it is very good. And also you can check this output terminal. Not only like this, because we make this single output, we special design this output plug. It's very easy to remove and very easy to connect. You can check. It's very easy to connect and very easy to remove. So when this LED driver has some problem and in the future you need to replace the light and add some switching and or sensor, is also very convenient, very easy to when you take this to a customer. It's very good point to search it. That is the one point. And in the other way, the length some guys will think they can connect it with the 6 lamps together. How about this total voltages have some limited? Of course have. Because you see this total voltage is 36. It is mean if you all this total voltages amount total is larger than the 36, and maybe this product will become damaged and also will have cost and not working. This is very good point. You need to take care of it, and this is one thing. The secondly, you can see our output design is like this, and you can check our input design. Our input designs also have very special design, because some LED driver they think they were using this common and normal terminal output, but we designed this also already customization and with the special plug. You can see this plug have a very special design. It's already can design to make connected with only just you plug in and unconnected. This is very good because some customer when they take this product back to their country, they will think, how can I use it and how can I match it? Because some country they have this European standard, North American standard, and Australian standard. Don't worry about this our product. Our product only need to worry about this input plug with this electronic system, because some country they have this plug have this European design and Australian design, North American design. After that, you just told me which kind of plug you need, and we can match this for you. All this input connection apart with this LED driver is the same. This is also very good convenient point with you guys, I think. And the next point, please look at our this thickness, because we call them this cabinet LED driver. You see, why we call this cabinet LED driver? Let me measure it for you. First, because please check our length. It's our length. You can check this number is 120. 120. The length is very good, and also you can check our width. The width is 50. And the most important, please check our thickness. Our thickness is 1/8, is 1/9. 1/8, you can check this number is 1/9. So this is mean very small compared with another kind of the normal LED driver. This very small and can perfectly suitable this narrow space and a very good narrow space and a narrow place. For example, in the future, if your project have the very too much special design for this size, we can match it and follow your design. This is the one point, and you can check this appearance in the case. We use this 94V0 material. This is the most highest level for prevent the fire and the explosion and some risk, because some customer they don't take mind about this total voltage. Maybe they will use, for example, this 36, they will use 50 or 80 to connect with them total. And of course, this product will have some dangers and problem. But after that, our product can protect you and protect your system, protect your house, protect your system. That is one. And after that, I think you guys is very nice. It's already very boring, right? Now I will show you a very interesting thing. This product can suitable for the normally switching and sensor in the market. Let me show you. Firstly, please check our LED driver, and I prepared these two sensors to you guys to check. The firstly is this two-door sensor. The two-door sensor, you can have this two output sensor and the switch. And also there have this light strip, LED light strip. It's also good for you to check. Firstly, let me connect them for you. Input, as I said before, the input is very convenient to connect. And the next, we connect with this sensor. You see, it's very convenient, right? Only just make plug and this plug. And then we make this sensor connect with our LED strip lights. You see, that's all. It's already finished. All is connected. Now, let me show you how to work and how to match them for you. Firstly, connect with the electronic system and then switch off. You see, now they are switched on. And we think this is, we compare with these two plants as two doors. Now we are open these doors, right? And we close together. The light is switched off, and we open together, the light is switched on. So you can compare with this like the refrigerator. When you open this refrigerator, the light will automatically switch on, and when you close them, the light will automatically switch off. And also, this design can make you save your energy, and also make this design. And when you want to use it, and you can get your lights. That is very good, and also this very good point, because some cabinet, the cabinet they don't have two. Some cabinet they only have one door. Some cabinet have two doors, and these two doors together, if you just open the one door, the light also will switch on, and you close one door, the light also will switch off. So you don't worry about in the future if you use it, you need to always to switch on this, turn on this two doors together. Don't worry about it. Just the one doors to turn on and turn off is okay for you. This is the first sensor and the switch I want to show you. And I think in the normal market they know these two doors, and they want to use this one door. And about the sensor, about the hand sensor, how to use the hand sensor is also a very good point. Let me introduce to you. Firstly, we switch off this power, and then we disconnected them. It's for safe. I think in the future, if you guys repair it, you need to disconnect it first. Okay, sorry, this is a little bit tight. Yeah, you see, it's very easy to disconnect it, and then you can also disconnect the LED strip lights. The next is the hand sensor. It's also very normal in the market. I think you guys also know it because we are very professional. And let me connect it together. Firstly, we connect this input one, and then we connect this LED driver with the hand sensor, and then the last point we connect this LED strip light. Now you can see. You can see all this is already finished. And then we switch on this power. Now you can see no any lights, because this is very sensitive sensor. We need hand waving this, and then the light is switch on, and then we hand wave again. And we cover this sensor, this light switch off. and we remove our hand, it's still switch off, and we take again, also switch off. It's very good because in the market they will think our LED driver is possible to match these too many kinds of sensor and switch on the market. Don't worry about it. We can do it, and we can solve all this match and suitable problem. That's our sensor testing. I think now you know our product is very good. It also you know all this our product this parameter and the details. But I think after all this explanation, you still have some questions and you still have some confused. Don't worry about it. Please left your message or left your email. Let us can contact to you. And if you left your email, we can send you some catalog in our product quotation and the product detail and the data sheet. You can check this product is more clearly. So that's all. This product is very nice. Next, I will introduce a very nice product to you, but it's not from mine. I will let my colleague Lisa to introduce very nice item. Welcome. Don't be hurried. Don't leave. Just keep it to listen to our live sheet. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Lisa. Today I want to share with you our IP20 Ultras LED driver. You can see. Can you see that? Yeah, it's a ultra-thin families. You can see there is very thin. Yes, you can see. Let me make sure the thinness.
先用英语说暂停一下。
Oh, oh, sorry. Here. Sorry. Hi guys. Oh, let me make sure their thinness. Yeah. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, it's about 14 mm, and this thickness is about 70 mm. Can you see that? And this thickness about 18 mm. Can you see? And this thickness about 22 mm. Yeah. Yeah, it's very thin, it's right. Yeah. About the actual things is the biggest for these items. For the actual things items, we not only have constant wattage and also have custom career. Today, I want to share with you our two topics. It's top B and top C. What are the difference between the two topics? In phase is decided by our companies based on the market's results. And let me introduce the top B. You can see the top B. Then the top B is a high PF. The PF is 19%, and the power rate is 20 to 16 watts, and this power rate is 20 to 14 watts, and the thickness is 18 nm, and this power rate is 15 to 16 watts, and the thickness is 22 nm, and is very nice. It's right, yeah, and the improved voltage is 19 to 20 216 volt, and this. Oh yes, it's 19 to 216 volt voltage, and this and single we had a single voltage is a 118 to 216 volt voltage. Yeah, it's very nice. It's right. Yeah, and the full voltage, and whether it is American markets or European markets is commit, and the 118 to 216 for single wattage is our new items. Yeah, it's a special launch for uh, European markets, and the single voltage will be cheaper than the full voltage. Yeah, it's very nice. It's right. Yeah, I think so. After talking about the top C, and top C, you can see the top C is very thin. It's right. You can see that is the top C is a thinner than the top B. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. And the top C, the power rate is a 1 to 16 watts, and then power rate is 1 to 24 watts, and the thickness is 14 nm, and this power rate is 13 to 16 watts, and the thickness is 17 nm, and the top CPF is 16%, and the improved voltage is 100 to 240 watt. Yes, it's 100 to 214 wattage. Yes. And let's talk about the design of LED drivers. You can see the LED driver is made of party cells. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, and the party cell made of 94 VO parties with the highest fire rates. Yeah, it's a very nice device. It can measure signified, and we can also print your logo on the products and the size. And for example, this can you clear? Oh yeah. You can print your logo on this. Is our company logos, and you can print your logo on this. It's a for free, even one piece. Yeah, it's our advantage. Oh yes, and the LED driver, you can see the PCB inside. Let me try. Oh, let me open this. Oh, you can see the PCB inside. You can see it's very clear. The company is very clear, and the pen in back is very clear. Yes, can you see that? Yeah. And with the LED driver with real TUV certificate and CE, CB, ENC, LVD approved. We are specially apply for TUV for these items, so we don't worry about the quality. So why not take samples for tests such as a good idea, good products? I think the items will be bring you more business and win more markets. So thank you very much for watching our episodes. See you next time, guys. Welcome my college Charles. Let me introduce new items. Welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Charles Waltman. Today I will introduce our popular ultra-thin water-cooled LED driver in this live show. It is obviously that the thickness of the model is very thin. I can measure the thickness of model for you. Look at its size. The thickness is only 20 millimeters. Compare with a mobile phone, how thin it is. With the same type for constant voltage, we are not only have the constant voltage, also have the constant current. The efficiency can reach 91%. This is ultra-thin water-cooled LED driver. The power is ranged from 20 watt to 400 watt, with power factor 0.6 up to 0.9. We have delivered into two series, the low PF and high PF series. This is legal free for both of them. This is to consider some customers have different national places have requirement for PF values. You mix up the output power. The low PF can be 20 to 200 watt. The high PF can be 13 to 400 watt. We provide a lot of choice for customers. Those models are widely applied to LED strip light, LED mirror, LED module, LED neon, and LED furniture, and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most important thing is that it has waterproof function. IP rate is 16.7. Those you can use it indoor or outdoor. Many customers has with the light, outdoor light, then it will need the IP167 waterproof LED driver. With the slim time, we not only have the constant voltage, but also have the constant current. The warranty is 3 years. There is another most important service is that we can offer you free laser print for your own. If you need one sample, you may ask their quality problem. Don't worry about that, because all of them have passed the C and the RoHS certification. We can guarantee 3 to 5 years 3 to 5 year warranty. Let me show you why we can granting 3 to 5 year guarantees. First of all, it has PCBA design, both design, and we use the best quality transformer. It means that more product-like circle and use strip counter. You can try our sample, then you will know how good it is. We can offer you free sample for you to test it. If you are interested in our product, please write your contact way. I'm waiting for your good news. Thank you for your listening and watching. Next, turn to our colleague, Riven.
Hello, this is Will again. Nice to meet you today. Now it's my turn to introduce you our junction box LED driver, which is very popular in North American market. You can see this one in my hand. This we call the junction box LED driver is a special design for the North American market because North American market has very strict requirements for the electrical wiring, such as they don't allow the wire to be exposed after installation. Later I will show you how to installation the wire. Firstly, let us see the design. This is very good design, very small size, and it's very slim. The thickness is about 40 mm. Let me show you. Can you see clearly? Yeah, this one is in my hand. This one is 60 watt and 24 watt. It can make from 60 watt to 600. Oh, sorry, this is 30 watt from 300 watt. And here you can see this part we call ear because we can use the screw to fix the LED driver to put where you want fix. This is metal material. It's very good for the heat dissipation. Okay, here you can see here. Here is our label position. Forward is our label design, and here is the title is dimmable LED driver 5-in-1 dimmable. You may want to ask what is 5-in-1 dimmable? It is 5 different dimming functions in one LED driver. We put this function in one LED driver to save customer costs because if you want to check 0 to 10, 1 to 10, you only need to buy one LED driver, no need to buy 3 LED driver. You can see 5-in-1 means check dimmable, 0 to 10 dimmable, 1 to 10 dimmable, and potentiometer and the PWM. This one also can be made non-dimmable or check dimmable only. Also, the price is cheaper than the 5-in-1. You can tell us what you want so we can suggest the most suitable LED driver for you. And you can see here. Here is the input. The input voltage is 100 to 277 watts. That's great advantage because you may know for the check dimmable LED driver, regular LED driver is single input voltage such as 90 to 130 or 180 to 240 for the Europe market. So our input voltage is very special, right? Yeah. And here is the ETL, our ETL design. Here our ETL design. Here is our ETL control number. You can use this number to check the ETL website, so you can check our company all information here. This LD driver is meet Class 2, Class P RoHS SELV standard. Also, we are applying UL for this LD driver. Maybe a few months we will get UL, but I will let you know because some customers they don't accept ETL. They must need UL for the USA market. From now on, maybe I think you have a question. Is for indoor use or for the outdoor use? Let me show you this one. The IP grade is IP54. That means suitable for dry, damp, and wet location. Here also marked. So I think if you long-term use for outdoor use, I think the IP67 is more suitable. So I want to show you the glue inside here. Here this one. It's too heavy, so I know why the engineers is always men, not women. You can see here, this part, we put the PCB inside. My colleague also show you the PCB design is for another LED driver. It's same as the similar PCB we put inside. And here is the glue, silicone glue. We use this raw material because it's very good for the heat dissipation. Yeah, that's why you can make sure the LED driver efficiency is up to 86%. And also, this one is very high PF. You can't imagine how high PF it is. It is 0.99, very good, right? And such high PF, under such high PF, we even can make non-flicker. And such very good performance, we can make sure the LED driver is 7 years warranty. And it has short circuit protection, overload protection, and over temperature protection. What's the most important is the loading and dimming. Wait a moment. The loading is about 10 to 100%. That means if you use our 30 watt LED driver, you can load with 3 to 30 watt. It will show you very good dimming function during such big range. But if you use regular items in the market, it can only load from 70 to 100 watt. And also the dimming. The dimming is from 0 to 100%. I think you may know on the market, the regular item is from 5 to 100%. That means the brightness can be off, but we can do that. And also the most important is the PWM output. We make this design, PWM output. You can see PWM output. That's very good because during your dimming, this function can make sure to not change the color index. Yeah. Very good function, right? And also this is track dimmable. So we already tested with 90% dimmers on the market. That's show us very good dimming function. I will send you the dimmer list which we tested. You can contact us for more info. You can contact me or contact us to send you a message. We can send you the Excel marked what dimmer we tested. Also, you can see we can see we took two black junction box sample here because there are two different housing design, such as this one. This one is two leads, but is separate. The body is large. This one is smaller, and also this one has two leads. But we use a very big lid to cover all items here. So you can choose which one you prefer. Also, let me show you another part, the wiring part. Here you can see. Here you can see the input. Here is the input. We use the white color and black color for the North American market because this is the standard color for North America. And this is the green color is ground wire. Here you can see. And the output side here has 4 wires. The red and black is for the to connect with LED lights. The purple and gray is connected with dimmer, such as this one. You can connect with 0 to 10, 1 to 10, potentiometer or P.M. But check dimmer, you should connect with the input side. And the kindly reminder: 5 different dimming functions. You only can choose one when it works. Cannot choose all during working. Also, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 cycle core. Cycle, you can use the tool to knock out and use the connector and use the stretch relief to put the wire and with the LED strip, so you can make sure the installation is inside, not exposed. So now everything is clear and it's very easy to installation, right? Okay. Actually, this LED driver is very easy, and because we attend Poland Lighting Fair, Hong Kong Lighting Fair, and Thailand Lighting Fair. Most of USA market and Canada market, and even Moscow customer, they really like this one. They like this one very much. And maybe you want to ask if we have another appearance. Yes, we have another appearance with very small size and white color. You can see this one. This is empty housing we take here, but the finished products is also PCB inside and filled with silicone glue. Here is inside. Inside here, this cycle is for the ground to connect the input side here. The output already connected with connector. And this one is from 12 watts to the 100 watt with very small size. So if you need small size junction box, you can choose this one. For some customer, they have some question because maybe I bought the LED driver directly. How should we connect the wire to meet the requirements of North America? You can choose this one. You can see this is also called junction box, but this is put the finished products. We put the finished products, not PCB. Finished products here. See, and this LED driver is 60 and 24 watts. The size of this junction box is suitable for the 20 to 60 watt. Also, we have many different sizes of this junction box, such as this black one. This black one, we put waterproof LED driver here. Waterproof. It's very heavy. And this one size is suitable for the 80 to 150, sorry. And another, we have another bigger one to put in the 150 to 200 watt. So now everything is clear and it's very easy. And we have many different items for your choice to meet your demands, right? So now let's go for the junction box. If you have any questions, you can give us message or contact us. Actually, we took many videos for this ID driver. You can contact us to get this video to know more. It's very clear and show you how DME function, how good DME function is. Do you have any question? Okay, so now today, that's all. It's finished. So let's guys say goodbye to you. And our next live show is from next week, next Thursday, right? Okay, come here. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you next
Goodbye.
time.
See you.
说没空。